You think you know science? Think again. Today we're diving into 10 science facts so bizarre, they sound like urban legends, but every single one is absolutely true. From clouds heavier than skyscrapers to planets where it rains molten iron, this is going to bend your brain in the best way possible. Let's kick things off with something literally floating right above your head: clouds. They look soft and fluffy like nature's cotton candy, right? But an average cumulus cloud weighs about 1,000,000 tons. That's the same weight as 200,000 elephants just hanging out in the sky. So how do they stay up? The air beneath them is actually denser, creating this wild sky paradox. Imagine walking under a mountain made entirely of water vapor without even noticing. Now meet a creature that hasn't changed in 500 million years, the velvet worm. These little critters have soft, velvety skin and an unexpected hunting trick. They shoot fast, hardening slime to trap prey, like tiny glue cannons. They've survived 5 mass extinctions while dinosaurs came and went. Velvet worms? They just kept on squirming. Talk about resilience. Here's one that might make your freezer feel a bit inadequate. In Siberian permafrost, scientists have uncovered Ice Age animals so well preserved some still had liquid blood. One researcher even reportedly tasted 36,000-year-old mammoth meat. Yes, prehistoric steak tartare. Not exactly a dinner party favorite, but definitely hardcore. Shifting to the cosmos, there's a planet called WASP 76b where it rains molten iron. One side is blasted by heat so intense it vaporizes metals. Then supersonic winds carry the vapor to the cooler side where it condenses and falls as sizzling iron rain. It's basically a giant foundry in the sky. Back on Earth, lightning is deadly, but for giraffes, it's an extreme risk. These tall creatures are up to 30 times more likely to get struck by lightning than humans. Being the tallest thing on an open plain during storms makes them nature's ultimate lightning rods. Brutal. Here's a human twist. Identical twins don't have identical fingerprints. Even with nearly identical DNA, fingerprints are shaped by unique environmental factors in the womb, like pressure and finger position. So genetically similar? Yes. Fingerprint clones? Nope. Alright, the sun isn't just a huge ball of heat. It's incredibly loud too. It produces massive sound waves. But since space is a vacuum with no air, we can't hear them. If space had air, the sun's noise would be deafening. Think jet engine right next to your ear all day, every day. Zooming in microscopic now, your brain is constantly cleaning itself through a process called phagocytosis. It literally eats dead or unnecessary cells to stay healthy. If this doesn't happen properly, it's linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. So your brain's like a busy janitor working 24/7 behind the scenes. Now for a sci-fi sounding fact. Neptune's winds blow faster than the speed of sound, over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet. And it happens on a planet mostly made of gas and ice. Cold, but with storms that could rip you apart. And finally, peanut butter. You love it in sandwiches, but under extreme pressure and heat, scientists have actually turned peanut butter into diamonds. Yes, diamonds. The carbon in peanut butter makes it possible, but you'd need lab conditions that mimic Earth's core. So no, microwaving your snack won't get you bling, but the science is real. So which of these wild truths blew your mind the most? Drop your favorites in the comments. I want to geek out with you. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe for more crazy science facts, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment of the weird, wonderful universe we live in. Stay curious and I'll catch you in the next one.